I got no idea. Maybe y'all know. Looks like it pivoted for something. That's alright. Let's check the hole. Let's see if we got anything else. I was hoping for better than that, but for a minute I was worried I was digging up the cable line, but that's supposed to be further down. Guess that's it. But I did make 50 cents, so I'm excited about that. That's honestly, that is the most that I have ever made metal detecting so far. But you gotta remember, I'm still pretty new and got a long way to go when it comes to learning the ins and the outs and the tricks to it all. So just bear with me. I was hoping to find another one of those cars over here, but that didn't work yet. That says it's a 5 and a 7. Uh-oh. It's saying 1920. So, whoa, there's a 35 up this way. I like that 1920, but I got to be honest. I like that 35 better. And I lost it. I did. I still got this one. Okay, it's saying it's right there. On top of that red root, so let's go try to get it. Oh God, of course. We got matted root, and matted root. Uh-oh. That sounded serious. Well, that's definitely not metallic. But I think somebody had a bubble. So, I'm going to pitch that by the tree. Whew. And I'm going to try to see. Look, there's some more of it. But there's more. That was not my signal. It most definitely was not. I had a penny signal. Hold on. Come on, get out of here, straw. Not saying it's over this way. Is it on that? Let's double check this stuff. So. That's not it. Somewhere in here. That's a rock. Oh, there it is. It slid through my fingers. Looky there, 52 cents. Because I found one surface find before I started recording.